Dude, it got all in my eyes.
It's water.
I don't care.
Sorry.
You ignorant mother.
I don't have a spray bottle.
Okay guys, what's up? I'm back with another one. I'm not gonna bother you too much by talking over this one. This is just kind of like a cinematic piece. Having a little fun with this one, but I decided to make a video here to show you how much longer it takes to try to bald somebody out with the Slimline Pro instead of using your debulking clipper. And it really did take me forever. I felt like if I was to do this on a day-to-day with this would not be feasible at all. So go ahead and get yourself a 5-0 blade and you'll bust through that skin line real quick. I'm going to run up the side of the head with the electric shaver. I'm going to fade him up. He had a little bit of dry skin. I washed it, but still didn't come out. But hey, it is what it is, you know. Any of the tools that I'm using in this video, you can click the link in the description down below and I'll get those links to you, find you the best price on Amazon, whatever. And if you want to support the channel, go ahead and scoop something from one of them links that helps me out. So now I spent about a month with the Wall Senior cordless and with the Wall 5-star Senior cordless, really starting to like this machine, starting to figure out how to work with it more efficiently, getting it to cut really good and smooth. And I'm going to show this through the next couple videos. Also quickly, before I let you go, I wanted to announce that I'm going to drop the FX trimmer tomorrow in a live feed. I'm going to tell you what you can do to win that one, and that's going to be the Babyless. Ooh, man, we got some lightning going on here. Nah, but the Babyless FX Rose is going to be up for grabs for whoever wins it, and I want to wish you guys all luck right now, and tomorrow in a live feed I'm going to announce how you can win that. So thanks for watching. As always, thanks for listening and the support. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I'm going to put up another video real soon. So thanks. Peace.
green, green.
Yonder music.
Green, green, green.
You was gonna go out to the court. What's the damn golf thing called?
Fucking golf course.
Brother, you was going out to the golf course.
Yeah, I had
Until
one foot out the door until you showed
until
up.
the black man
And
shows
I gotta
up.
deal with you every damn time. I traded this man. Alright, so this dude gives me a busted ass Xbox, and somehow I
Busted ass Xbox. I gave him
Yo, I'm
a
the same.
mint condition Xbox One S that hardly even been touched by me.
Shit.
Never been touched by anybody under 25.
You gave me an Xbox 360 and you wanted 10 cuts.
I gave it one S and I wanted
Oh damn. Shots fired, man down.
What a Badger brother.